the curve shortly.
10-4, I'm clear. We're coming up to the stop sign. Coming up to the stop sign.
On Thursday afternoon, July 22, 2021, police on Corinth-Poseyville Road spotted a motorcycle without a licence plate speeding. When officers attempted a stop, the rider fled, leading to a pursuit through multiple roads and even a large field. Despite police attempts to box him in, he managed to escape.
I'm clear on headed back towards Dashcam on Hagen, 47 Fort Ground towards 47 Fort Ground on Hagen.
Advise here if you can. We're heading back towards Cash now.
10-4 clear on advising here. I know we're back on towards Cash now.
Passing 7th Court Road.
Clear on passing 7 Fort Ground. Be advised you're approaching the split again at Hagen and Next.
Where's the county at, Paul?
Depending on your location on county.
Turning on the dirt road, turning right onto the dirt road. All through a field. Going off through the field, Paul.
Clear on the dirt road now, all through the field before the Nick and A-gun split.
Going off through the field, trying to get back to the dirt road, Paul.
Until he abandoned his bike behind a house on Nix Road. A helpful citizen tipped off the officers, leading to the arrest of Robert Christopher Harrison. When asked for his name, he confidently declared, "Without justice." Well, I reckon he'll be getting a good lesson in justice behind bars.
I'm gonna tell you how this is gonna operate in just a second. If we got, get down on the ground. Get down on the ground now. I ain't gonna ask you again. Put your hands behind your back. All the way. You reach for something, I'm gonna beat the stew out of you right here now. You understand me?
Yes, I guess, yeah.
Hold him right there. You understand me?
On the night of November 9th, 2024, at a sobriety checkpoint on County Road 69, a silver SUV suddenly stopped 100 yards away before reversing up the hill in the wrong lane. As troopers pursued, the driver recklessly swerved, tossed an object out the window and forced oncoming traffic onto the shoulder. When stopped, Nicholas Koskinen tried to climb out of the driver's window to flee but was tackled after resisting arrest. A search of the SUV uncovered marijuana, THC gummies, THC wax, and a syringe. The discarded bag contained fentanyl-laced pills and an unknown dark purple substance. Not only did he fail to escape, but he also left behind enough evidence for some serious charges.
Get in. No, man. Yeah, you get in. No, you should stop. No, shut up. No, yeah, you should. No, you know what was doing. No, stop. What blue light? For what reason? Blue lights. What do you mean? Hey, you know. Nope. Let me check. Let me check. Oh, no, please. I'm not gonna take you, I promise. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys.
On Thursday morning, November 7th, 2024, a grey Ford Edge with an unreadable paper tag was pulled over on US Highway 67/167. Initially stopping, the driver suddenly sped off at 90 miles per hour, sparking a high-speed chase through a residential area and construction zone. The vehicle came to an abrupt stop, and a male suspect jumped out with 2 large trash bags, fleeing on foot.
We're taking James Street.
Hey, I got it. You just drive. We're out northbound on James. Please not 60. We're coming up to James Street. Please not 70. Just cross James, still northbound, West Service Road. Please not 50. Light traffic. So it didn't make east. East on Bailey, go out. Please got 59.
Officers pursued him over fences, with one officer getting injured in the process. A taser attempt failed, forcing police to tackle and arrest Harold Shirley at an intersection. Inside the bags he discarded, officers found 9 sealed packages of marijuana. Not only did he fail to escape, but he also conveniently left behind all the evidence needed to lock him up. On Thursday, February 15th, 2024, an off-duty police officer was driving his personal vehicle when an unknown suspect suddenly opened fire. Fortunately, the officer managed to record the suspect's license plate and report it to dispatch. At approximately 3:30 p.m., Michigan State troopers spotted the suspect's vehicle and attempted a traffic stop, but the driver fled.
position for a round, you good? Disregard heavy traffic. Go up to 7 mile.
Approaching 7 mile, due to red light. Speed 70 is committing to south.
A high-speed chase unfolded, with the MSP K9 and emergency support teams joining the pursuit. The chase ended when officers executed a precise immobilization maneuver, bringing the suspect's vehicle to a stop. The suspect was immediately taken into custody, still carrying the firearm used in the attack. With such serious charges, I doubt he'll be seeing the outside of a prison cell anytime soon.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! So bring out the window. Let me see your hands! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Driver window! Break out driver window! Break out driver window! Driver window! Driver window! I got it! Break it out! Now reach! Driver!
I'm scared! Don't shoot me!
Alright, he's coming out. Your hands on here! Go! Alright, more hands right here. Right in front of my car. Hands in front of my car. I need hands in front of my car. Come around front. No, we're going to the front. In front of my car. I got right here. Get it off there. Don't fucking move. Here's cuffs.
In the early hours of July 17th, 2022, police on Interstate 20 clocked a silver Acura speeding at 90 miles per hour. When officers attempted a stop, the driver accelerated to 150 miles per hour, weaving dangerously and even turning off his headlights to escape. He nearly caused multiple crashes, forcing cars off the road, before finally surrendering near Post Road after a 20-mile pursuit. Officers detained Mekilon Ethan Demond Roberts, who admitted his license was suspended. He now faces multiple charges, including felony fleeing. At this pace, maybe he should consider joining a track team instead of driving.
Let me tell you something. I put you in some cuffs. You got your seatbelt on? Nah, don't got my seatbelt. Let me tell you, I don't want to hit. Don't tell me nothing right now. Step out. I can't get my head up. Back. Come on. Step back. Back here. Turn around. I'll put these cuffs in the back of you, man. All right? Damn, man. That's just shit, man. I was getting arrested English. What you mean? Paid ticket. I mean, you shouldn't drive through. Put mine. Put mine.
On Saturday afternoon, November 9th, 2024, a black Mercedes with mismatched Arkansas plates was spotted on I-430. When followed, the driver hit 85+ miles per hour and fled. He blasted through red lights, drove against traffic, sped recklessly through a residential area, and tossed papers out before slamming into a brick mailbox on the sidewalk.
South on Second. Turning right on Tanya. Correction, no need. Wrecked out. Right.
Denzel Kentrell Jackson Jr. ditched the car and bolted into the woods, slipping past officers in a chaotic foot chase. He was spotted multiple times but managed to keep running, thinking he had escaped for good. However, 5 days later, police finally caught up with him at a probation office in North Little Rock. Looks like he finally checked himself in for a long-term stay. No reservations. No deposits needed.
Gotcha. You're responding. Check Tanya Drive. Black male, gray sweatpants, white shirt. Looks like he had dreads. The vehicle's clear. I need a 1011.